This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. Daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. Here we are, Wednesday, November 29th. News Catalyst, 8:30 a.m. That's going to happen here shortly as I shoot this video. And on the left, we've got the ES with the breakout candle, and currently the body is above this red zone, so that's a big deal because it's above the previous week high. And we've got here 45.9750, the next stop, if it decides to keep going. On the right is the dollar, and the dollar first rectangle above is a weekly fair value gap. You can see the last 6 days. We have a volume imbalance from the prior day, and then the prior day before that. So Tuesday and Monday created this yellow skinny rectangle, and here we are right now with price on a green bar. Notice the color here and notice the color on the ES, both green. So that shows you right now some manipulation, and I'll explain that. This yellow rectangle is an August 11th fair value gap. So you got to go all the way back to August 11th to see a fair value gap on either side of that day, and you will see it. So what I'm going to do is watch these prices. I want to show you the levels now on the next chart. So let's look at the levels first. So on the levels, we've got a London high, 45.7950, and this is, again, a daily chart on the ES. New York midnight opened at 45.6975, just above that new week open gap that started the week off at 45.6850, which also is the London open. London low comes in here at 46.25. What is today? What is the significance of Wednesday, the 29th? If you go T+2, look it up, Google it. This is the December 1st, first day of settlement for big money institutional. These guys that control price, direction, smart money, trading November, because any trade that happens on the 29th settles December 1st. So never fade, I've learned, the first day of the month, and this is coincidentally breaking out of a 7-day zone. We've been in a very tight range here between this thick black line and this thick black line, and here we are with the breakout. And the next level that I've got is 45.97.25. Currently price is 45.85.50. And again, that news release catalyst here in a minute or two is gross domestic national product, GDP. And on the left, one of the fellow traders quoted, "Get comfortable being sidelined while price trades without you." That's wisdom right there. I'm only looking to get my slice of the pie when my edge is present in high probability conditions. If you're unable to quench the thirst of trading for a rush, then the thirst will only hinder your performance. So I would change that last part of the paragraph to something a little more profane. But the bottom line here is this is not ideal conditions for me for a two-way tape on T+2 for the new month. So I'm going to let it play out at least a couple of sessions. London's already played out here. I want to see how the New York AM goes, and I'm going to go into the afternoon, and no button pushing because this thing could easily go to 4,600. And so that's the wisdom for today. Just observe, sit it out. We've got a big news catalyst that Fed FOMC looks at on tomorrow's news catalyst. So I'd prefer to look at where price goes today and just keep my hands off leverage and risk. So risk off for me today, and it's because of the reason, again, I've learned long ago, don't fade the first of the month. I'm staying out. So that's my video, short one tonight, one chart, higher time frame. That's all you got to know because, again, clearly we have a breakout going on and that next level up. Sell side liquidity down here at 45.43. The prior day's low, 45.46, and that's basically confluent with the 9 EMA, which has not been touched for 12 plus days. That's right down here at 45.75, but that could be dragged up reluctantly just because of price keeps running up. So again, that's all I got. This is all the analysis I need and the time on the calendar. So it's time of day, time of month, and where price is behaving, and that we've come out of a consolidation multi-day. Aloha and take care. Bye.